we've been in Mabalacat, and after that we finish already, and then we come back already to home in the middle of Mabalacat. Don't have battery. Lake Park.
Lake Park, she said.
Ate Shai pala to. Anong order nila?
This car is not allowed tour like this. I know, he waiting your chicken, Shaira. Cat not afraid you. Kain tayo.
Kain
Kain tayo.
tayo.
Okay. Shaira, I remember in China, old woman walk like this. It's good restaurant. If you want to sit outside, if you want to sit inside, outside.
Ay, isa lang din ba? Paano lang din ba naman, hoy? Paano lang din naman sila?
Good look. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, Small Life Philippines. It's May
8.
2025, Thursday in evening, and we're we're going to outside to eat, and later we're going to walk in CDC Park.
You explain what is CDC Park. Many people don't know.
CDC Park, it's a seem like playground, or like people go there to have some family bonding, because it's so big land. You can take your food there, you can sit there having fun with your family, and also jogging also there.
Every evening.
Yes, evening and morning have also.
Morning.
Most of people who work there, they take some jogging there in CDC Park, and evening also.
But I see most of the people evening, because we after finish work, and many companies in Clark.
And soon, so many people there in CDC Park in this Sunday.
Why?
Because it's Mother's Day.
Mother's Day. That every Sunday many people in Clark.
Even don't have event here in Philippines or another country. Every day have so many people, because don't have school right now.
Right now don't have school.
Maybe June, July, like this.
Until July or June? June. So only 1 month now. May. End of May already maybe start to study in the school.
I'm not good looking right now.
Shaira, for me you good looking. For another people I not care, you know. So I don't worry. That's why I am with you already 9 years we together.
Going 10 years.
10 years.
This
July.
July in your birthday.
Okay.
So let's go, because I'm so hungry also.
Where you want it, Shaira?
McDonald's.
McDonald's, okay. We can stop in McDonald's. And take foods in McDonald's.
Yes, I like to drink iced coffee and eat McDonald's food.
And later we can eat in home also.
Yes, because
not today. I won't cook today soup. But Shaira said, oh no.
Because I have...
Wait. I try to cook soup today. Russian soup. We already bought ingredients. All. Shaira like this soup. But Shaira said, oh, let's go to park. Because I need exercise. I need to recover, because I have problem with my health. I am always tired. I cannot long time walk, but I need to walk even little bit. I need every day walk. That's why Shaira said, okay, let's go to the park and we can eat in McDonald's. But usually we eat not fast food. Usually we eat in normal food in the home.
And also I've been in Mabalacat with my mom. We use motorbike. It's electric bike, big bike.
You bought electric bike.
Yes.
Scooter,
but it's
electric.
Second hand.
Uh-huh.
So we've been in Balakat. And after that, we finish already. And then we come back already to home. In the middle of Balakat, don't have battery.
Already
No
battery.
like this.
Degradation battery maybe already.
After that, we need to, what is this? We need to push it.
From how long distance push?
From Mabiga to...
From Mabiga? From Mabiga it's about 3 kilometers.
From, no. We start, what is this? It stop the, what is this? The battery from Mabiga until here in near hypermarket.
Wait, I will show to our subscriber what kind of scooter. Wait, I already... Wait, I will outside. I will go outside. I already start to go. This one. You see, this is Shira push with a small scooter. I think battery not good already. 3 kilometers long distance. It's so heavy for you, Shira. If you 3 kilometers.
It's not so hard for me, but it's so painful.
But you walk with your mother.
Yes, that's why.
Together.
I'm thinking with my mom. I said to mom, it's okay, you can sit in the, what is this? In the motorbike. You need to handle with the, what is this?
Steer
Only. And I can push it. But my mom said, no, because you've been in surgery last February only. That's why your body may be weak. I said, no. I said, I need more. I said, if I not finish it, I said, my what is this? My toe will gonna pain or my legs will gonna pain. That's why I try to go to CDC right now to make more, need to release the pain.
Okay, let's go. Now
Let's go.
time 6:16. Temperature outside, we don't know. Maybe about 29. No, it's okay. Evening not so hot.
Let's go.
Already Angeles City. You can see traffic. Always this time traffic. But today working day. Yesterday not working day. Today working day. The time now 6:30. Oh, I see here the hotel. Bolton Hotel. I never seen Bolton Hotel. It's new hotel here.
No,
No?
long time already.
Long time? But I know have new 7-Eleven near main gate. They open new 7-Eleven.
In front of my gate.
In front of my gate, okay. So we turn now to the Clark. Right side Clark, left side Angeles, and also Mabalakat. Jollibee is still under renovation. After 2 months only they will open. Parking. No, many cars today park. Many cars. And we going to McDonald's drive-thru. McDonald's main gate, Clark. Shira before working with McDonald's. How long time, Shira, you work?
This April, I'm getting 1 year.
About 1 year.
Yes, it's April
Okay.
24.
Okay.
But I stop only, so it means 9 months.
Okay. Yeah. Not so many cars now.
It's 19 months. Okay na yon.
Pa-double check na lang po kung tama po.
Yes.
Please window for payment po. Thank you.
So this is our order and payment. We will pay cash, but can pay also Gcash. I will ask. Good evening. So can pay also Gcash. Shaira, before work the same. You same counting money, Shaira?
Yes, I work.
You work before. Okay. Okay.
234.
Okay. Thank you. And pick up foods. But you said before when you work, it's a limited time to park here.
Yes.
How long time I can park, for example? Because I know timer
5
have.
minutes here.
5 minutes? No, it's long time. Maybe 1 minute.
No, that's not 5 minutes. 15 seconds only.
50 seconds. So 50 seconds we can park here. 15 seconds we can park for take foods. Okay. Our foods. Oh, so many people inside McDonald's. So many.
Leg part.
Leg
Leg
part.
part.
Leg part, she said.
Ate Shay pala to. Anong order?
Leg part.
Leg part na lang.
Kahit leg part
Leg,
na lang.
leg.
Oo. Balik na ba ako? May isa tayo. Pagpakulo rin.
But you want to work again?
I want to work also.
But how? Tired already in home. bored in home. Shaira bored in home. In McDonald's tired, in home bored. Okay. Oh, already have food. Yeah, parking is full, don't have space. McDonald's. Shaira's work. For what? No, I cannot park here. Don't have space. So many people in McDonald's. Ford Clark. Also can buy cars, Korean cars, American Dodge, Jeep Chrysler, Hyundai. Also pancake house here, coffee bean, you see. We already near Clark CDC Park. This is Royce Casino. We have video before from this casino. This car is not allowed tour like this.
Police. Because of people there.
Uncle John. This is bus also going here. Loop bus.
They have also Japanese restaurant here.
Where Japanese restaurant?
Right side.
Ah, yes,
Left
yes,
side.
yes. Have Japanese also
You
restaurant.
want to-
This is center of Clark. Clark Center. Have what is Choking,
Jollibee,
Jollibee,
Burger King.
yeah, Burger King
Starbucks.
and Starbucks. Yes. And another side of the road is already Royce Casino. This is Casino Royce.
That's why they call it Clark Center, because have also young.
Also many security here. We cannot turn right because this road is closed. Only left and straight. We try to park here, but usually it's not easy to find space. can try to find. Don't have parking here. So many Korean restaurants here, so many. I already filming before. Barbecue Korean. Chief Baboy. No, new restaurant, Chief Baboy, I don't know.
Chef Babo.
Uh-huh. I hope here have space for park. Yes, have. You can park here. It's for us. Okay. Good weather today. Oh, I will help to Shaira. Shaira, so many foods. Help to you.
It's okay.
It's okay for you? Okay. This is hospital. This is hospital. Paramedic hospital. So what do you think? Eat first? But I think better walk first. After eat you need to rest. Shaira, run. You won't eat, I think. Shaira, I think you hungry now. Yeah. If Shaira want to so faster, it means Shaira hungry. She won't eat. Okay, let's go. Don't have cars.
Need to find seat.
Yes, we can find. Very good in the Clark. It's like another planet. It's look like not in the Philippines, because most of the Philippines don't have pedestrian line. But here in the Clark is very good. Yeah. That's why many people go into the park. So many cats here in the park. Shaira, not need, you see. He don't understand.
He's angry.
Huh?
Angry cat.
Angry?
Yes.
Ah, they still fix road.
Oh, hard. I see what already.
Shaira very won't sit and eat. Yes, near cat, you see. One cat already sit. So many cats here. I know, he waiting your chicken, Shaira. Ah, cat not afraid you. Shaira, not touch, because it's dirty.
Sit.
Dirty, never touch animals, okay? Clean? Okay. Okay, cat will wait. What for me? For me, what is name, Shaira?
One piece mushroom pepper stick.
Mushroom pepper steak.
Yes.
But it's for me, this food is, I don't like. I buy because what I can buy? Fried chicken, I don't want it. Only this, it's okay. Little bit I can eat. Apple juice fry I also don't want. It's also for Shaira. But you what chicken? Fried chicken. This is so many people. Always jogging here. And we sit in front of Tom's Cafe. Yes. Yes, Hola Parade also in the rooftop. Hola Parade we never sit before, but Tom Tom's we many times sit already with our friend. Maybe you remember our friend Ali, Captain Ali from Qatar Airways. Usually we meet with our friends, sit and talk. Usually in the Clark, because in the Clark is better. Many people who go to the Angeles, our friends, now they don't want to stay in near Walking Street, Balibago. Many friends already they live in the Clark or Koreatown, Friendship, not in the Balibago. They avoid Balibago. You know why? Noisy in Balibago, also in Balibago, you know, criminal. Most of criminal go to Balibago. That's why I know, I see my friends, our friends, not they don't want to stay near Walking Street. Who only go to for 1 week, they stay in hotel. They don't like already long time stay in Angeles. I already started.
Eat.
Yes.
Mangan.
What you say? How need to say in Tagalog?
Mangantamo.
Huh?
Mangantamo. That's Kapampangan.
No, you say in Tagalog. Kapampangan I don't want to
Kain
know.
tayo.
Huh?
Kain tayo.
Kain tayo.
Kain.
Kain tayo.
Kain tayo.
Okay.
In Kapampangan is Mangantamo.
Mhm. You can speak Kapampangan, Tagalog, and Visaya, not Visaya. What your language in your province?
Bicol.
Bicol. How to Bicol language? You remember how to say?
I forgot.
You forgot. It means you not good know your language now. Many people exercise. Foreigner also have.
Bon appetit, right?
Yes. Bon appetit. Okay. You just finish it and Shaira said need to find cat to feed cat. I know where cat live, near security guard, because maybe 2 years ago we always go to this park and we eat here. And I know it's cat. Okay, you know where security guard is cat. Oh, this is bus station. Loop bus. Okay, let's go. Jeepney. Jeepney also stop here. So jeepney and bus stop here near this place. Let's go. Where cat live? No, Shaira, near security guard. I know, Shaira, near aircon. I know. You see one cat already here, Shaira. There's one cat. This cat afraid. No, everywhere I have. Yeah. You can put here. No light. Yes. Put here. Yes, and cat can see. It's okay, we can find food, don't worry. Before we always park here and eat in this bench, but now we close this road, close after 6 p.m. Bus station name Clark Museum. 16. Bus station number 16. Shaira, I remember in China, old women walk like this. You know why? They want more time for live. Like more life, more time, lifetime. Like if back like this. I don't know why. It's maybe Chinese traditional, I don't know.
Because it's
But you're not old, Shaira.
I'm getting old soon.
No, what? Not old.
Soon I'm 30.
Tortia is not old.
Soon I'm 30 years old.
There's no shopping.
I am 53 with July already.
So we're getting older.
Oh, open soon. Type home cooking. It's good. Need to come back. Also restaurant. Ah, it's coffee shop. Porch coffee shop. Also bike for rent here. It's good. From Monday to Sunday working. Also good place. You see Shire also new barn. So many.
It's like coffee shop and big cake shop.
Ага.
Pontis, by Pontis.
But I see so many soon open. Soon will open. Cooking soon. Mario's.
Mario's, the name of the
Mario's, yes.
restaurant.
Another Japanese restaurant. Kisaki, Japanese restaurant. This is new. No, it's not new. I remember maybe 2 years ago. Oh, have menu. Special menu. I don't know, expensive or not. Also, I can show menu here. Kisaki. Sushi. Makimono, I don't know what is makimono. Ah, I know. Chicken. Fish. Ramen. Oh, it's good. The price, I think, is good price. Donburia. Ah, Vifek. Okay. Alcohol also have. You can contact with special economic zone. Kisaki restaurant. It's good restaurant. If you want to sit outside, if you want to sit inside, outside, it's okay. Shire already run. Okay. I run too also. Where is Shire? I don't know. Shaira jogging here. No, Shaira don't want jogging. Wait here.
It's so long time.
It's not long time. Who is Shaira? Frog? Yeah.
Big frog.
Yeah, yes, I know. Every park in China, same sound.
Every rainy day.
And not only rainy day, everywhere, daytime also. I prepare already food court for Mother Day. You see, I think so many people come here to Sunday public restroom. Shaira again.
Or drink.
I don't know. Oh, take a look, Shaira. Bike rent. You remember in Baguio? Same in Baguio. I want to check how much. From 4 p.m. This is bike for rent, including already helmet. It's big, and for children also have. For children is small. Also have different kind of bike for children. Even this.
We got the 3 race cars. There's go-karts.
I will check how much.
Ay, doon. Yung isa lang din ba? Ang payo lang din ba naman, hoy? Payo lang din naman ang pila.
825 po. 25.
Isa din yun. Isa raw din kayo. Iba hindi. Ayun,
I also can pay Gcash.
yun na lang.
And this way, straight ahead. Before I park motorcycle here, but now I don't know now where park for motor.
Let's take a picture first. Mamaya na lang.
Oh, Shaira with flower. What name of flower, Shaira? You don't know. Good looking with flower. The turn face this way.
Good look.
Another CR also soon open.
Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like. Salamat.